Well, here's the biggest one that I picked up off the ground. Kind of cool. A whole bunch of little ones merged together into a big one. I picked it up off the ground from like oh, come on, focus. From like right over there in the yard. And the sun is finally starting to come out again. We got some thunder. And it don't want to focus. There it goes. But things hopefully will be normal for the rest of the night. Free ice from heaven. I love hailstorms. They're so interesting. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Hopefully you can see that.